At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a black soldier fly, BSF, farm can be a promising venture, especially considering the growing interest in sustainable agriculture and alternative protein sources. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Research and learn. Begin by researching BSF farming thoroughly. Understand their life cycle, optimal conditions for breeding, feeding requirements, and potential markets for your products. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, production methods, revenue streams, and expenses. Include market research to identify potential customers and competitors. 3. Legal considerations. Check local regulations and obtain any necessary permits or licenses for operating an insect farm in your area. This might include permits related to agriculture, food production, waste management, and more. 4. Facility setup. Decide on the scale of your operation and set up a suitable facility. BSF larvae can be reared in relatively small spaces, making it feasible to start in a garage, backyard, or small warehouse. Ensure the facility is secure from pests and has proper ventilation and temperature control. 5. Source stock. Obtain BSF eggs or larvae from a reputable supplier to kickstart your colony. Ensure they are healthy and free from diseases or contaminants. 6. Feeding and care. Provide the BSF larvae with a suitable substrate for feeding, typically organic waste such as kitchen scraps, brewery waste, or agricultural byproducts. Monitor their growth and adjust feeding as needed to optimize production. 7. Harvesting. Once the larvae reach maturity, they will pupate and emerge as adult flies. Harvest the larvae before they pupate, as this is the stage with the highest protein content and is most valuable for various applications. 8. Product development. Explore different ways to utilize your BSF larvae. Common uses include animal feed, fertilizer, and even human consumption in some regions. Experiment with processing methods and product formulations to create value-added products. 9. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing strategy to reach potential customers. This could include local farmers, pet owners, aquaculture operations, or companies looking for sustainable protein sources. Consider online sales platforms, farmers markets, and partnerships with local businesses. 10. Continuous improvement. Continuously assess and improve your farming practices to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance product quality. Stay updated on advancements in BSF farming and incorporate new technologies or techniques as appropriate. 11. Networking. Join industry associations, attend conferences, and connect with other BSF farmers to exchange knowledge, learn from their experiences, and stay informed about industry trends. 12. Sustainability. Emphasize the environmental benefits of BSF farming, such as waste reduction and resource efficiency, in your marketing efforts. Highlight the sustainability of your products to attract eco-conscious consumers and businesses. Starting a BSF farm requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.